I got a ring light for Christmas and I am so excited. Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be filming two different videos. The first one I'm going to be showing and telling you what I got for my birthday. That was yesterday. And then another one is going to be me setting up the new axolotl tank because I finally got a bigger one versus the 60-gallon terrarium that I was using. And if you didn't know already and you didn't see my previous axolotl video, the terrarium that I have my axolotls in, I did transform it into an aquarium with aquarium silicone, and it's not filled all the way, so there's no worry for it breaking or shattering or anything like that, so it's completely safe for them, just in case you guys didn't know. But right now I am going to tell you and show you what I got for my birthday. The only one I can necessarily show you is one of my way bigger presents from Logan, and it's the more exciting one, especially for me being the reptile lover and having all the reptiles that I do. I added to the collection. There is another gift that I can show you guys, but I'm not going to bring it out because it's just a dishware set. So Logan's parents got us like the new set of plates, bowls, mugs, which is perfect. That's exactly what we needed. So that's one of the things. And then physical wise, my grandmother got me something small, but that's also because she is going to help me pay for my new phone, because this phone is not working that well because it's pretty outdated. But physical wise, I got a lotion and a body spray of the Holiday Vanilla Bean and Nightmare Before Christmas socks, which I'm very excited about. I have a bunch of different Nightmare Before Christmas and Harry Potter socks, and I use them for work, so that is exciting. I did forget the gift from my dad. He does a lot of mechanic work and working with metal, so he made me a money tree, and I think it's pretty cool. Okay, and so for my gift from Logan is my favorite part. I'm completely obsessed, and this is to add to my crazy obsession with reptiles. This is Marcellus. Hi buddy. He is a Hog Island boa. So, which means he's a dwarf boa. He's not gonna get as big as, I know it's bright, I'm sorry. He's not gonna get as big as regular boas. So he's pretty much completely full grown, and this is his body right here. He got him for me because he was at my work. He was one of the animals that we had for sale, and I got so unbelievably attached to him, and we bonded really well. Like, my coworkers could tell, Logan could tell, like, he needed to be mine. And he was at the shop for a very long time, which is surprising because of the type of snake he is. But this is my new baby. I'm trying to keep him a little bit away from the light because of how bright it is, but he is not doing that. I'm not going to keep him out for long because he is shedding right now. He just dropped his eye caps, so it should be any day. I have to soak him and everything, but this is my new baby, and I am so excited. I love him so much. He's hiding behind me right now, but so you can tell he's small for a boa, which I love. I don't want a huge giant snake, even though I love boas, so this is the perfect median. And because of how obsessed with him I am, I'm also on a Hog Island boa kick, so we are looking for a female right now, and it's being a little difficult because not a lot of places have them. It's actually, I don't want to say it's rare, but it's very uncommon to see Hog Islands for sale. So obviously I had to snatch him up. He is very strong. He's a very strong guy. He was choking me out last night. Not on purpose, but he kept wrapping himself around my neck to get comfortable, and then he ended up falling asleep. And yes, he is named Marcellus after Marcel from the originals. It's one of my favorite shows, and it fits him perfectly because he's sweet as pie until you mess with him, and then he can get an attitude. But he has only gotten an attitude with me once, and that was on his feeding day because he was hungry, and all he did was hiss at me. But he hasn't done anything else, so he's a sweetheart. But that is everything I have to show you guys. I mainly wanted to show him off since I'm so excited to have him. But I am going to wrap up this video and put him away so that he can go back and soak, and so that I don't irritate him too much since he is shedding. And I'll see you guys next time.